Hi, I'm Larry.
And I'm Kelly, and today we're going to teach you a problem from Algebra 2, Standard 8.
Standard 8 deals with solving and graphing quadratic equations by factoring, completing the square, or using the quadratic formula.
This specific problem requires use of the quadratic formula, and this problem is t squared over 2 minus 2 is equal to t over 2.
So first, you multiply all the coefficients by 2 because having fractions will make things more complicated.
After that, the 2 from the numerator and the 2 from the denominator cancel out, so it becomes t squared, and then this one, you multiply the negative 2 and the 2 together to get negative 4 is equal to t, because these 2's also cancel out.
So then you subtract t from both sides because you want to be able to get it into standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it becomes t squared minus t minus 4 is equal to 0.
Now you want to find the coefficients for this quadratic formula to be able to plug this in. So you need to find a, b, and c. And the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You can remember this easier by remembering x is equal to the negative boy was unsure about going to the radical party where a square bouncer removed 4 alcoholic cases and it all ended by 2 a.m.
So a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to negative 4.
So you plug these numbers into the equation. So it becomes x is equal to negative b, and b is negative 1. And it comes plus or minus the square root of b squared, so it's negative 1 squared, minus 4a, which is 1, and c, which is negative 4. And it was all over 2, and then a, which is 1.
Okay, so
Then you simplify it.
yeah. So negative times a negative is a positive, so x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1, which is equal to 1. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2.
And then after that, you simplify it even more by adding the 1 and the 16 together. So it becomes x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 2. And since 17 doesn't have a perfect square root, you leave your answer as the square root of 17. So your final answer is x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 2. And we're done. About the that requires using the quadratic formula. This problem is t squared minus 2 is t squared over 2 minus 2 is equal to t over 2.
So you
The next step.
no.
And then after that, the 2's cancel out from the denominator. Oh.
Hi, I'm Larry Ramirez.
And I'm Kelly. And today we're going to teach you a problem from Algebra 2, Standard 8.
Standard 8 deals with solving quadratic equations. What? Say your last name. Hi, I'm Larry.
And I'm Kelly. And today we're going to teach you a problem from Algebra 2, Standard 8.
Standard 8 deals with solving quadratic equations by completing the square, factoring, or...
You blanked out.